Hey guys, welcome back to another review. So, we're setting up a brand new computer high powered system, and what better than to have a mini freezer with us? If you guys have a dorm room or you guys are cutting back for your office, for your business, let's go ahead and take a look at this 1.1 BANGSON freezer. Take a look at this freezer, my friends. Estimated yearly cost is around $25. Take a look inside. Make sure you remove all the plastic. Make sure you keep the freezer upright like this for a couple hours before you actually turn it on. That is what they recommend everybody do. So we've had ours upright for, I believe it's been about a day and a half so far. Now around it's going to be all this plastic. You guys can peel all this off if you want, because it covers the whole thing. It might be easy to pull it from the bottom, or you could just leave it on and it will protect your freezer unit. Ice cube tray in here, a little manual, little storage shelf, like that. It goes deep back inside. Of course, there's plastic on the side and the front as well. Alright guys, here's some specs for the nerds that love the, different specs. You guys can pause the video at any point. This is the back. Make sure you go ahead and you take your power plug and you pull it from the back. Here's how you can adjust your temperature right on here. So when adjusting your temperature, 1 is going to be the warmest, and 5, I believe, is going to be the coldest. Now remember, this is a freezer, not a refrigerator. Standard 3-prong grounded outlet. It is lightweight, and also I read the manual that you want to leave it upright, so you want to have it upright like this for at least 24 hours before you plug it in. So for those who are wondering, you definitely want it in at least 24 hours. But this is what it looks like, guys. A great mini freezer for off-grid situations, for cabins. If you want to use a solar power bank, you could, run this with a solar off-grid system. Again, cabin, if you're going glamping or in your tent, if you guys are traveling. It's lightweight and it's the perfect size.